Hello and good morning. And we're off to races once again on the Appalachian Trail. Last night was a bit chilly, but not too bad. Tried some new things out in my hammock. It seemed to work out pretty well. A little too well, actually. I got a little too warm in there. It's not a bad thing. It's also not a good thing. But we're headed up and out. There's like a shelter, which is the highest on AT, that we might get to today, where it's like 17 miles. We're probably just going to do like 15 to a campsite just below it, but we'll see how I feel. Get to that campsite, I just do the extra 2 miles. Yeah. Putting them in the bank, for sure. Well, I'm gonna get to hiking. If any of y'all have any questions or anything like that, just drop me a comment, and whenever I get in service, I'll see if I can either do a video on them or answer them as necessary. But yeah, ask away. I mean, by no means am I an expert, but I got now almost 400 miles underneath me, so I've learned some lessons. So if I don't know it, I'll tell you I don't know it. If I do know it, I'll let you know. All right, on to hiking. So interestingly enough, let's see. Keep on skirting in and out of Tennessee and North Carolina. So we haven't actually officially been in Tennessee. Basically started when we got to the Smokies, and the Appalachian Trail kind of like jumps backwards and forwards. And I believe around the 400-mile mark, that's when we actually jump into Tennessee for that state. We're only in it for a little bit, because then we get to Damascus, and that's when we start the long trek in Virginia. The Virginia Blues. I think it's like 500, 600, 700 miles of the trail goes across the state of Virginia. But on the upside, the terrain, once you're up on the ridge line, it's quite easy. So you can actually bank some miles and speed your way through it as much as possible, but you're still going to be in that state for quite some time. So yeah, today's walk has not been terrible. Bunch of ups and downs, nothing too strenuous, just going up, going down, going up and down. That's what we do as hikers. We go up and down, up and down. We do have some rain coming based off the forecast this morning, and hopefully there'll be a little sprinkle tonight, go away by morning, and then we can be at our next shelter destination when the rain comes again, because it's a little chilly out here. As I mentioned before, cold and rain just sucks. And I'm sure constant rain is going to suck too if we were in it for like 3 days straight or something, which currently the forecast has it several days consecutive rain. So we'll see if we can beat it. So far we've been very lucky with the weather that we have had, because there are certain people on trail that have been caught up in all that stuff that we've been able to dodge. So but yeah, I'm gonna get moving. Get on down. I think we're going to take a break at the 9-mile mark at one of the shelters over here. So we get there. I want some lunch. There was a view.
Yeah, I'm waiting on Barter Boy.
He was a while back.
Yeah. Well, actually, no, that's good. I get a minute here then.
Woo, look at that.
I'm hoping Kent's at that gap.
Say hi.
Yeah, for real.
Hello, YouTube.
I'm hoping he restocks on beer.
Kent?
Nice. I definitely pass one out.
Well, after lunch, we started going down, and then we saw the map had a, I think it was roughly 2,000 elevation gain, something like that, but over like 5 miles. This is not terrible. I could be wrong with the elevation gain. But it has been a constant uphill for sure. And rain. Cold rain. So yeah, we're just gonna trudge along and get to that shelter, which is supposed to be the highest shelter on the AT. All right, I'm gonna get up this thing. I'll see you at the top. The rain will stop for now. So I took off that rain jacket because I was basically sweating in it. Everything keeps getting a little livelier after rain comes down. It's more alive, I should say. Seems greener and richer colors. The birds are definitely doing their thing, chirping away. Still got about 2 more miles at 1,000 feet of elevation change to get to. But yeah, this is not raining right now. I believe we're going to be above the 6,000 feet elevation mark. I looked it up. I think it was like from where it started down by the road. It's going to be like 2,400 feet of elevation change in like 5 miles, so not terrible. But there's a couple of sections. Anyway, this forest I'm walking through right now is pretty cool. Got twisted trees and some pines in here, some spruce, like that guy right there. All right, I'm gonna finish out these miles. I'm gonna get to the top, and then it's feeding time again. Feeding time. There used to be a resort around here, and that's a chimney from it. Interesting. Back in the 19th century, something like that. Huh. It's been a gorgeous walk these last 2 miles, so yeah. Taking my time actually to get to the shelter. Rain's still coming down, but I got enough tree canopy above to keep it away. Yeah, that's been pretty good. Okay, 0.6 away. We're moving. Made it to turn off for the shelter, and I think it says it's like 0.1 this way. It's a cool little trek getting up here. Even getting up to the shelters been uniquely beautiful. Other than the Smokies, this has been another fairy tale-ish woods that we hiked through. I'm curious to see what the shelter looks like. Be there in a bit. I'm not sure how much you can see, but this is the shelter cabin with an upstairs. And then out here, people are doing their best to eat as much food as possible.
Lots of calories.
They're making some cuisines, isn't that right?
Yep. Oh yeah, got the mac and cheese, extra olive oil, extra salami.
Here.
Uh-oh.
Here's mine.
What you got in there?
I don't really know.
It's pea surprise.
Yeah. It's got peas, I know that.
Nom nom nom. Alright, well, I'm going to end this one because it is cold and I'm going to eat and I'm going to get warm. So, we'll see you at the next place.